has scooped the Mongo Central Constituency MP seat from the UPND party with 19,157 votes. Gwalela Masuka, an independent candidate, has obtained 9,256 votes, and Bright Dombi and the NRPUP party with 1,690 votes.
NRPUP 1,690. Gwalela Masuka Independent 9,256. MAKAI UPND 19,000.
In Mongo East constituency, which is among the newly created, NAWA has scooped the parliamentary seat from the UPND party with 11,537 votes, whilst his opponent, Makande Mwa has obtained 2,070 votes. Nchimonya Siaminwe, Bulozi TV News, Mongo, Western Province.
Vao ne baipapata kakwichemela vo Iris Kaingu bakonele kuwina LIKETISA za kuyemela sibakasa mwandu ya melao asamulaho wakufumana linepo zekumafa 6,595 kufita vosi veso sefulo bakopano ya UPND. Nyahako lichwalo, mwamulobezi bene baipapata kakwichemela hape vo Hastings Sililo nibona bakonele kuwina spula mwandu ya melao.
First, I want this to do hereby declare that I have, in accordance with the law, accepted the results of constituency and that have been given to Sefulo K. Siveso UPND 6110 6110, Kaingu Iris Independent 6,595. I further declare that a total of 79 ballot papers have been rejected as invalid, and that a total of 12,784 votes were cast. I therefore declare that the said Kaingu K. Iris to be this day duly elected this 15th day of August 2026. My signature has been appended. Thank you.
I, Mwiya Kabangu, being the returning officer from Mulobezi constituency, Mulobezi district, do hereby declare that I have, in accordance with the law, ascertained the results of the poll in the said constituency, and that they have been given to Kalaluka Satea NRPUP 179, Musialela Fabian Independent 401, Sililo J. Satuvi Independent 1,246, Zambwe Chi Mwenda UPNG 5,393, Sililo Hastings Independent 6,300.
Vomwina spula kuyemela batu babapila ni buyanga mwasikilitisa mongo batavuze kuli vung'ata bwali bakaza kuvotela teni mwa Bulozi nelisafi tiwi hande kibatu babapila ni buyanga. Wambola mangambolo ya faluwaile ni Bulozi TV vo Abraham SITALI batavuze kuli vung'ata bwa miyaho mwasikiliti nelilikolo zeo nelisako ni kulumeleza kuzama ya katukota twa kuzama ela teni yona ma walking sticks nilipula za kuzamaila yona ma wheelchair ilitava yeo itatafalize kukona kuvota hande kwa vatu babapila ni buyanga. Vaikelize kutalusa kuli vatu babapila ni buyanga ne basikabeyiwa mwa mihupulo kikatengo kakabona za LIKETISA kona ka Electoral Commission of Zambia hane kuketi walivakaza kuvotela teni mwa Bulozi.
So most of the programs went well. It's just the issue that the challenge is that the infrastructure, the place, it wasn't good for people with disability, like who are using crutches, wheelchairs, and tricycles, including walking canes. So they didn't have lap steps and they have long steps. So unless that person to be carried using a wheelchair to enter inside, and the doors are small. So looking over that, like bro jackets, yes, they are there. Like me, I signed using a bro jacket. But over the issues of interpreters for the deaf, they didn't have. And most, I started at Mukoko UCZ Church, and I went to Mukoko Primary School. So Mukoko Primary School, it's a good place, and they have lap steps, and people with disability able to enter. It's just the challenge of the interpreters for the deaf. They don't have. So we look at the number of persons with abilities were left behind, and even the issues of view number 7, it looks like they never followed it well. So we had a problem, and after that I went to Kashitu, where there are voting people there, and I find the same challenge. So I looked at this for people with disabilities as us, we are not really put into consideration because we are left behind. So stigmatization and segregation, it was there. So that's why I had to advise my fellow colleagues, wherever they were voting from, please do early and go early home, because most of the infrastructure, the environment, it wasn't good. But most of people, if you are disabled, they see you, you have to go in and vote early. But I'm talking over the issues of infrastructures.
Lukaishumusa ainyani haluka kuta lukazula pili mwatukso yaluna.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mangu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Buyuana compound off Kagrava Road in Mangu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mangu and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongu. Contact us on +2609729265221. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthnest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Bulozi TV brings Azam to Western Province. Your favorite entertainment is now closer than ever. Get your Azam TV full kit from Bulozi TV for only 589 kwacha and enjoy 2 months free subscription. Watch over 150 channels featuring live sports, blockbuster movies, kids shows, drama.
Happy. Because you see, we are connected now. Hello, Jack.
Choose the package that suits you with the Azam Pure, going at only 100 kwacha with over 110 channels. Azam Plus at only 200 kwacha with over 130 channels, and Azam Play at only 300 kwacha with over 150 channels. Visit Bulozi TV today and get connected to affordable quality entertainment. Bulozi TV, your trusted home for Azam TV in Western Province.
Luitumeskwina nuname lwaikeza. Babaitelezi katengo ka Center for Peace Research and Advocacy vo Clifton chifuwe babonsize pilailo kwamana ni mifirifiri yene vireteni mu makululu ya Lusaka. Kwambula kwa Bulozi TV vo chifuwe batolokire mifirifiri ye kuba bumayi mibafire pizo kwa sichaba kuli bakone kulumeleza katengo ka Electoral Commission of Zambia ECZ kabukuswani kuzwela pili ni msebezi wakona kusina kupaliliswa. Bataluze kuli katengo kasonera kufiwa sivaka saa kweza msebezi ili kubona kuli kwaba ni kozo mwanaha.
Take control of the electoral process as it was. So we want to call upon the citizens of this country. Let us remain calm and peaceful and allow the process to take its course. If we now continue into what we are witnessing in Lusaka, I think we may end up seeing an election that is delayed. And that's very concerning because it affects the stability and security of the country. So we want to call upon the citizens of this country. Let us remain calm and peaceful and allow the process to take its course.
Katengo ka Medical for Quality Healthcare in Zambia kafile pizo kwa likolo la makete kutunufaza litutu kwa manani butuku bwa diabetes asebu bakozi mwanaha Zambia. Pizo ye itaha asamula wanaha kuva ni kukula kwa litaba za butuku onavo sihulu yona type 2. Mwangambolo ni Bulozi TV babaitelezi katengo ka vo Dr. Chris Mwavu batalusize kuli chaba basonera kuitatubisa nako ninako bakensa kuli butuku onavo bukona kukenela mutu kusina kubonsali supo. Vaikelize kutabusa kuli kunani butokwa bwakuva nilitatuvo zebunolo mwanaha kaufela.
Is increasingly becoming a serious public health concern in the country. Well, some people are at greater risk because of family history and other factors. Changes in lifestyles and health, dietary practices, physical inactivity, and increasing levels of overweight and obesity are among the factors contributing to the growing burden of type 2 diabetes. So members of the public should therefore take greater responsibility for their health by reducing excessive consumption of sugary drinks and highly processed foods, moderating portion of starch foods, increasing the intake of vegetables and other fiber-rich foods.
Delale babuhi baluna likoni yekulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukso yaluna miluka ikupuza hape litoho zene panga makande. Wo MAKAI wo NAWA ni MUBIKA BAZWILE MUBANO mwa LIKETISA. votombitombi bahanire kuluza liketisa mwa Mongo Central. Vositali BAIZE MABOTELO NASIYO HANDE kwa batu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA. Mwakona kubuha tukusoye nili tukusoza luna kafela fa TopStar Channel 120 mwali bakaza sona sina Mongo ni Mulunga, Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga libakazemu mwasenanga Lufusa mane nilibakaze inzi mabapa. Kapa mwakona kulufumana fa likepela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV. Papila bomanjenera kina Mike Moya minili kozo.